Hi, chickies. Hi, my Baducks. Who wants to come out and flop about? Huh? You want to come out and flop about? They say, yeah, we do. Baduck. Well, come on. Yeah, there we go. Who's ready to storm the castle? Who's ready to storm the castle gate? They say, we are. Yeah, we're ready to storm the castle gate. Come on. No. No garden. No. I don't know if this is cabbage or broccoli or what, but no. The fight's on. Yeah, you can eat weeds. All the grass you want. Baduck. There goes one of the kids in. Chuck, you're not going to go show her around the place? He's like, it's not that big. That is Nuggy. Yeah, you're my little Nuggy head. You can see carrots on this end and radishes on the far end. And in this, there is different kinds of lettuces and some onions on the side. It's out of control. Looks like she came out. She didn't stay in very long. There's room for another in the pool, as long as you stay out of the dill. So what dust bathing does for your chickens, it's how they clean their feathers. They get anything off of them that may irritate them, such as mites. And they will get that dust in their feathers and hold it in. And after they've held it on for a while, then they shake it all off. And they say, okay, I'm clean. It's just a natural instinct for them. I think that a chick is eating strawberry petals. Yeah, I don't mind you eating bugs. Just don't eat any petals that you see. You can eat weeds. That's a weed. We don't have all our beds weeded yet, obviously. There was 2 kids in the run. One is out by my thicket area, and one is wandering through the weeds in the yard. I'll be mowing those weeds tomorrow. The kid kind of wants to dust bathe. She's a little nervous. I have somebody in my garlic over here. Stinkery. Hey, Chuck. Yeah, Baduck. She wants to, but she's chicken. So the bathing pool has gotten down to 2. Down to 1. And I keep missing them shaking out. She wants to know where my treats are. You gonna stay there all day, princess? All night? It's time for the chicken traffic jam. Hey, we sure are glad that you stopped by and you're sharing some time with us on this wonderful Monday evening, soon to be Tuesday. We hope you had a great weekend. Refuel your tank, get plenty of rest to start the new day tomorrow. 'Cause ready or not, it's coming. It comes at the new day, whatever time that starts for you. Mine starts whenever I wake up. Baduck, Baduck, Chuck. I'll tell you. Chuck! Chuck, no garden! Hey, no garden. He already stopped. No, no garden. Hey, no garden. Here he comes with a kid. He says, hey kid, follow me. Oh, he pecked that hen in the head too. Good job, Chuck. Hey, Chuck, is it time to go home? Is it time to go home? He says, night, night. The chicks turn back. Baduck, Baduck. Did you want to go in? She's not sure. You don't want to go in the big coop tonight? She says, I'm not ready for a sleepover, I don't think. No slumber party. They say night, night. And one is still at the big coop. I came down here thinking she was going in. Baduck.